Hello my people, welcome back to the news channel, and this is Afri's Concept TV, where you get the latest and the hottest news. This is a news channel that keeps you updated on everything going on in the country. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure to do that now. And if you are a new subscriber, we say welcome to Afri's Concept TV. Sit back and relax, because you are going to be getting everything that you are going to need to be updated on the happenings in the country and even outside the country. And also, if you are a returning subscriber, I say welcome back to Afri's Concept TV, and I'm sure you keep coming back because you get value from this channel. Let's go right to the headlines for today. Tinubu, I'm not in support of the new aircraft at the moment. It should stay at home, Shettima says. Good day my people. Yes, so this is the headlines for today. As Shettima has said that he is not in support of the new aircraft at the moment, that Tinubu should stay at home, he should stay in Nigeria. That where is he traveling to? Let's listen to the news info. The federal government of Nigeria's proposal to purchase new aircraft for the presidential fleet has drawn criticism from the Arewa Youth Consultative Forum, AYCF. Recall that there was a story from the presidency stating that Vice President Shettima and President Bola Tinubu would be receiving new airplanes. In response to the news, Alhaji Shettima, head of the Arewa Youth Consultative Forum, AYCF, stated, "I am totally not in support of any new aircraft at this moment. Rather, I should stay at home and work or manage the available ones. Let us be honest with ourselves. This is not acceptable, and Nigerians must not be in support of this idea." According to The Sun, the head of Arewa Youth went on to say that this is a clear call for Nigerians to oppose and denounce it. He added that Nigerians cannot continue to suffer, and the president is begging for more time, since we can't expect him to work a miracle in his first year in office. The outspoken leader went on to say that while Nigerians are still getting over the SUV that was purchased for NAS members, the government is currently discussing the purchase of a private plane. He strongly denounced this decision. My people, yes, so this is the news for today. It is so sad that in this nation, at this time, the president is stating that they want to get new planes for both the Vice President Shettima and even President Bola Tinubu himself. And President Tinubu was said to have planes even before he became president. That since he's always talking about sacrifice, why can't he just drop one of his planes or some of his planes as sacrifice for this cause? Even Shettima has come out to say that he strongly opposes it and Nigerians should fight against it. But then, what the Nigerians want to say? What difference can he make? They just recently bought SUVs for members of NAS, and now they want to buy airplanes for both, private airplanes for both the president and the vice president. This is just a really sad moment in Nigeria, as the president keeps stating that they don't expect him to work a miracle in the first year of his administration, but rather he still keeps doing things that would make the nation and the Nigerians angry and sad about what is going on in the country. A lot of people are hungry, a lot of people are going through a lot at this moment, and yet all the president can think of is getting airplanes for himself and his vice president. That is so sad. And yes, my people, that is the news for today. Make sure to like the video, comment, let us know what you think about this news. Let us know your mind regarding this news that you've just listened to, because we are very interested in your feedback. And also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also click on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you every time that we post up a new content. Look forward to seeing you again. Thank you.